Let's see about hue versus Luma. This is the fourth one. And it says here, take the color and adjust its luminosity or its brightness. For example, I can take the yellow and you have the 3 points. The extremities are the range and the middle one is the color. I can click on it and increase the brightness of the yellow. If you notice, from very bright, it became completely white, to very dark, here you are, it became almost black. You can also, using the qualifier just over here, select a color or a range of color. Let's take another one from here and let's select, for example, this color red and increase its brightness or decrease it until it's totally black. Now, this is pretty cool. Over here, we changed her clothes already several times. You can take yellow, for example, it's over here, and then increase its brightness, as you can see, or decrease its brightness. All the other things apply the same. But the hue versus Luma is very interesting when you want to change the luminosity or the brightness of a certain color within the curve. Thank you, guys.